Hello, child. I will be showing you how to change your ringtone. Okay, so you can record whatever song you want. I saved this one. Okay, so you're gonna have to have a MP3 converter. I have this one. It works. See, I already used it. Go click the plus thing. Import from camera roll. Don't look at that. Just add the one you need. Click on it. You can put whatever volume you want. I'm gonna lower it because it was low last time. Yeah, if you call me, I'm gonna be vibing, so. Anyways, click convert. Oh, and there's ads, of course, so that's fine. Okay. You're gonna click on ringtone. And once that happens, you're gonna click on GarageBand. If you don't have GarageBand, then, yeah, download it. If you do, good. Click on it. Okay, and it's waiting. You gotta be patient. I think. Okay, here it is. Take that off. See, beautiful. You can stop. Then you're gonna go. You can edit whatever you want. I don't know how to do that kind of stuff here, cause I never use this. We'll learn one day. And then you're gonna click here on this little downward thing here. And then you're gonna click my songs. It's saved, okay? And then you're gonna do this. Long hold. You're gonna go to share. Then you're gonna go to ringtone. My length, 30 seconds or less. I don't care. You're gonna put it whatever name you want. I have no idea. So I'm just gonna put smiley face. Done. I know it's long, but like, I'm just do that. There we go. And that's how you do it. But it's too long apparently, so it don't work. Okay, can I hear how it sounds? Oh, it cuts short. It's fine. It's on site.